air, breeze, and wind. Air. Air supports life. We need air to breathe. We cannot see or touch air, but we can feel it. We cannot feel air when it is stationary. We can feel only when it moves. Breeze. When the air moves gently, it is called a breeze. We enjoy cool breeze. Wind. When the air moves fast, it is called wind. Wind helps us in many ways. It makes the things move. A wind makes a sailboat move on water. A wind makes a kite to fly. It helps an aeroplane to fly. It helps to dry our clothes. Storm. When the wind blows very fast and causes damage to life and property, it is called a storm. A storm can blow away things. It can damage houses, crops, trees, and animals. Other things present in air. Air is a mixture of gases. But nowadays it has become impure due to the presence of following substances. Water vapors. These are the droplets of water present in air. These come from water bodies by evaporation. Take a steel glass. Fill it with ice. Cover it and keep it on the table. You will see water droplets condensed on glass. Dust particles. Dust particles normally come from factories and vehicles. Dust particles settle down after some time when wind stops. Take a cotton wool and clean the table with it. You can see pure white cotton turns black. Germs. Germs can cause many diseases. Common diseases are cough and cold. Air can be made pure and clean by planting more trees. Trees absorb harmful gases and give us useful gases. All the dust particles settle down on the leaves of trees. Plants make the air cool.